I'll show them. I'll show them all. I'll find myself a newer classroom with all the teachers can give me some more respect. To respect my authority. I'll show them. I'll show them all. I just can't believe this. I just walk over to a new school and a 15-hour walk. What kind of an idea is this? I just can't believe this. Every time I'm trying to get a good day, but Colt's starting to ruin everything, including Mariah. What is wrong with these guys? Ugh! They always frustrate me.
What's happening to me? Why it's so cold? Am I dying? I don't have the strength to walk forward to my school. So powerful. It feels good. I could just fall.
McCruff the crime doc here. Micah thinks he's gonna find a new school all alone. But Micah is wrong. A powerful giant blizzard storm strikes right back him, causing him to be under a coma. So it's all up to you YouTubers. It's just that simple. You must place a favorite movie, cartoon, video game, or anime character into this video, and then animated it to the brightest ending that could change Micah's life. And you have got to hurry. Micah's life depending on you before it's lights out for him. McCruff the crime dog out.